Have you ever wanted to share your current location on Snapchat, but only with a selected person instead of all your friends? Perhaps you want to let your best friend know where you are to make meeting up easier, or inform your family about your travels. No worries. Snapchat offers a handy option that allows your location with precisely chosen individuals, safeguarding your privacy and control. In this straightforward guide, we will teach you how to use this convenient feature on Snapchat to share your location with just one person. Without further ado, let's embark on this journey to make it easier for your loved ones to track your location and enjoy a stronger connection through this popular social media platform. The first step is to open your settings on your phone. After that, scroll down and find your Snapchat application. Once you've found it, click on it. Now click on the first option, location, and we'll switch you to while using the app, where you can choose always. If you always wanted to access your location after that, exit the settings and enter the Snapchat application. Now click on the profile picture in the top left corner of the screen. Afterward, click on the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. Find the privacy control section and select See My Location. It is currently set in ghost mode, which means nobody can see my location, even if I have enabled it. If I want to share it with only one specific person, I can tap on the live location option and choose always, 8 hours or 1 hour. This will share my live location with only that one specific person. Go back now and click on the chat icon at the bottom of the screen. Now, you can do this in your chats as well. If you just want to tap on somebody's profile, you can scroll down again and see the option, Share My Live Location. You can tap on it in the same window, with options for choosing the duration of sharing. The live location will appear. If you choose Always, it will continuously share your current location with them until you manually turn off this option. I hope this helps. If you have any questions about it, please leave them in the comments below.